Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for Thursday, December 7th, 2023, and the time 8:10 a.m. Central Time. I have to tell you, today, Pearl Harbor Day. Okay, I know the young people don't remember that. My generation still does. And no, I was not born when the United States was attacked at Pearl Harbor. But I certainly am a war baby, which means I was born as the war was going on, actually just ending. And that's when I was born, and I certainly remember all the soldiers coming home as a young boy and the maiming and so on as a street when I was 5, 6 years old, because those things stick with you. And just interesting, okay? And how times have changed. Japan, one of our closest friends. So this is the week of all the jobs information. So let's go right to it and see what we've got, because that's really what this is about. Challenger Gray, and this is the corporate level jobs. That's the way to think of it. The comps increasing by 9,000. Prior, they were 36,836. So the corporations are saying they're going to cut another 9,000. Now, in jobless claims, yes, they went up. That's one way to look at it, but not what the market thought. And so they climbed 1,000, but you lost. Remember we were talking how you were starting to climb on the continuing? Well, that lost 64,000 to 186. Prior, they had been 192. So people are out there a little bit longer looking for jobs. They're still getting them, but overall, they're still climbing. And remember, you still have 8.7 million job offerings out there. I mean, that's a monstrous amount, more than all the unemployed people that could get a job if they wanted. That's the way to look at it. October wholesale inventory and sales data comes out at 9 o'clock. Energy analysts are looking for a decline of 107 billion cubic feet. That's a big decline. Is the market setting up for a problem there because the weather's been mild? By the way, Chicago 51 today, 55 tomorrow, 56 day after, then back into the 30s. So very unusual weather. We get the October consumer credit data. That's going to come out this afternoon, and we'll find out just how much credit people loaded up on, right? Between Cyber Monday, Black Friday, and where they're at in relation to what they might be able to spend come Christmas. So this was the week I was looking, and so far I still am, for the consolidation to begin of the gains that we saw in November in stock indices. And I don't think I'm too far off. That's pretty much what has been going on. So far, again, the people that have bought the Russell thinking that would get all the money pouring into it, they're not wrong, but they're not right. It's sort of just hanging right there. The market has been falling back. Underneath the market's the 200 and the 100-day moving average of closes. So the market did manage to get over them. They may act as support for the market on the next level of the move. We're getting a bounce in the crude. To me, the big question is, did the Biden administration lie to us again, as they often do, and say, oh, we're going to be buying millions of barrels of oil, it's, as long as the price is under such and such a number, which it got under by a lot, they're supposed to be buying. They will use, you count on it, that, yeah, they said that, but the caverns aren't quite ready for it. Then why say it? So it's just full of lies, as they always do. When we take a look at the grain market, starting to get a bounce. Now, corn's interesting. 485 is a support area that I'm looking at there. The bean market, the $13 area, is going to be the interesting part. If it really gives ground by much, be careful. 1250 could be a zone. I'm going to repeat that I have been telling my clients that I did say that they could be buying for that when the ETFs are going to come out to take some money off the table against the 42,500 to 45,000 range, and so far it's worked out. They don't always work out. Dollar, was that it? Was that the rally? And now these markets can say, okay, now the sigh of relief. I don't know, but it's going to get very interesting right here, so be ready for that. So it is a consolidation phase time. November's over. We're into the early days of December where you're searching for direction in more markets than not. Even the bonds and notes selling off a little bit. They are over their Bollinger Bands. They got up to areas in a number of them where they should be pulling back a little bit. We'll see if that all comes about. And not only do I talk about this, but you're going to find that if you get the information that we offer as research, we cover the whole spectrum. Grain markets, meat markets, the soft commodities, certainly all the stock indices, the currency markets, interest rates. It's all there with ideas on trading in options, spread strategies, cash strategies, fundamentals galore. So when I write my newsletter for my subscribers, I'm a technician. Why not? This comes as part of my subscription if you sign up for it. And you get the Linn research with it. Now you get the fundamentals, other ideas, you get mine. You got a pretty full trading platform. And none of us are young guys. We have been around this a long time. So you want something that you're seeing written by the pros, guys that have done this forever, people that are used to the spreads, the strategies, what goes on, the seasonals, different times of the year, and the whole spectrum. It costs you nothing to get a free trial. Call or go to iraepstein.com. Free offers, top left, sign up there. You can also move your cursor to the top here. If you're on a PC, you will see that. Give it a click, and away you go. I'm Ira. I'll catch up with you at the end of the day with the market wrap-ups. Have a good trading day.